Hello students, please take out book number 4. Today we will be do the work in English subject. Okay, so please take out the page number 3434 and 3535. So students, as you know, we had completed the capital O. So today we are going to write small o. So for that you have to mention today's date over here. 4/12/20 classwork. 4/12/20 classwork. Okay. Now here you have to trace the letter. Write small o below the picture whose name starts with O. So the simple step is over there. The formation is same, but just you have to write in between these two blue lines. Okay, like this. Small o. Which letter is this? Small o. So tell me, o xylophone? No. O ox? Yes. So we will be write small o below the ox only. Now trace and write small o. So we will be trace and write small o. And please children, say few more words that start with letter O. Okay. So which letter is this? Say small o. Which letter is this? Small o. Which letter is this? Small o. Which letter is this? Small o. So students, in this way you have to do the tracing work. Now let's start with here. O orange. O octopus. O ox. O omelette. O olive. O owl. O ostrich. O orchid. O otter. O orange. In this way you have to complete the page number 3434. Now come to the page number 3535. Here you have to write capital O below the oranges and write small o below the oxen. So tell me, is this orange or oxen? It's orange. So we will be write capital O. Is it oxen or orange? Oxen. So we will be write small o. Is it orange or oxen? Orange. So for orange, we will be write capital O. And for oxen, we will be write small o. For orange, we will write small o. No, we will write capital O. And for oxen, we will write small o. And for orange, capital O. For oxen, write small o. See students, in this way you have to complete the page number 34 and 35. And the same way you have to complete the page in workbook. I'll show you. Now in workbook you have to take out the page number 4444, 4545. Please mention today's date. 4th day, 12th month, 20th year. Take on classwork. Here also take on classwork and mention the same date over here. Now here you have to write capital O and here you have to write small o as you have done in book number 4. So let's do it. Which letter is this? Capital O. Which letter is this? Capital O. O oxen. O ox. O owl. O orange. Now let's do without dots. Keep your pencil on red line. Come to the blue line. Go up to the red line. Red line, blue line. Go up to the red line. Which letter is this? Capital O. Which letter is this? Capital O. O orange. O oxen. O ox. O owl. So in this way you have to complete page numbers 4444. Now see, in this way, you have to complete the page number 4444 English workbook. Now come to the page number 4545. Here you have to write small o. So let's do it. Firstly, we will start from blue line to blue line. Let's start tracing first. Okay. Speak and write. O orange. O owl. O oranges. O olive. See, in this way you have to complete a small o. Okay, I'll show you how. Now students, in this way you have to complete the page number 4444 and 4545 as I have shown. In the same way you have to complete it and submit your work in PDF form by 5:30 p.m. Thank you.